it's Miss Tanya. Did you know my first hair and scalp restoration masterclass has just launched? It's designed to train you on how to offer an amazing and healthiest blowout ever by use of my water beauty solution without the use of conditioner. And I just launched 3 amazing membership packages over on YouTube. Welcome to the Holistic Hair and Scalp Restoration Program. I am Miss Tanya, your holistic practitioner, just coming in with an up-close video to show you why we want to do this to our scalps. Now, I can't lie, your buildup is very mild for this first session, but this comb kills 2 birds with 1 stone. In addition to lifting any buildup we may have at the scalp, it also increases blood flow. So as you can see, the flakes that are popping up is what's coming off your scalp, and as I told you, it's your sweat buildup. But what I would like to do, as I do with all, is go in close, because I want to look at your level of buildup. And what we're looking at is the areas that are pink, have no buildup in place, like right in here, but then you see this white visual in here. This here is a sign of scalp buildup in this area, whereas you don't have it as much back here. So now I'm going to show you in real time what this comb does, not just to the buildup down there, but it also increases your blood flow. So in this area, it's going to turn. Are you okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. We're going to have some increased blood flow in this area. And as you can see, it's happening now where I've increased the blood flow here, and I'm just going to continue going further back. But this is what I do to your whole head. So I want you to understand the holistic approach, which is increased blood flow and the removal of any buildup here at the scalp. But as you can see, I've got good blood coming to the surface. So this will be done every time I see you. Just like every time we go to the dentist, they do the same exact cleansing to reset us back to no buildup on the surface. That's exactly what I'm doing for your scalp. Okay. Now I would like to conduct my holistic hair growth analysis. As I told you before, I like to come in this close and to study your pores and how many strands are coming from each pore. And like I told you, each pore usually produces more than 1 strand, just like this one here. You've got 3 strands coming out of this pore. And next door to it, you've only got 2 with a vellus hair. So these skinny hairs you see in here that is under my tool now, that's called a baby hair. So your growth rate is fine. I think the bigger problem is retaining your hair down here at the ends, because, and also at your age, it has a big factor in play here, because you being so young, you still have an amazing hair growth ability and rate that does slow as we get older. So I'm seeing that the majority of your pores are producing more than 1 strand, which is great. I don't see not one. Oh, I misspoke. There's one right here. We only have 1 strand coming out of that pore right here. So you have begun to suffer hair loss, but there should be more than 1 strand coming out this pore. Just like right here next door, you've got about 4 coming out of this pore. So this will increase and get better over time, because in session 4, I'm going to come back and we're going to do another analysis to see what it looks like in session 4. Along the course of my career, I've set out to find a different way. I've looked at things like, why does our hair grow so slow? Why do we have these flakes? Why does our scalp itch? And with all of that, I have found a new approach that is really making a difference and allowing us to experience a different type of hair care for your hair. Now, I'll be honest with you. I've already mastered my approach from behind the chair, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to offer you an amazing opportunity. An opportunity to not only maximize your earning potential, but also increase your clientele base by learning how to administer a holistic scalp detox from behind your chair. Let me tell you why you want to take this training. Not only does holistic scalp detoxing provide an amazing massage to the client that not only increases blood flow to the surface, but we all know that this is the catalyst to hair growth, but you're also going to kill two birds with one stone by lifting any dandruff, aka psoriasis, that may be on the surface. This is going to minimize your client's hair loss, which is a win-win for everyone involved. For 2 hours of your time, you're going to learn a holistic scalp detox, which is not only going to help you know and understand what it is, but it also is going to help you to understand why it builds and what to do to minimize it and manage it. So I encourage you to register today.